Hello guys, welcome to MCQ Biology. This is chapter 1, The Living World. Who is known as the Darwin of the 20th century? Options are Lamarck, Ernst Mayr, Carolus Linnaeus, Robert May. Please give correct answers. You have 5 seconds. The correct answer is Ernst Mayr. The number of known and described species that are in the range of approximately, it's in millions: 1.3 to 1.4, 1.4 to 1.5, 1.7 to 1.8, 1.9 to 2.2. Correct answer is 1.7 to 1.8 million. Twin characteristics of growth are increase in mass, increase in number, both A and B, increase in length and volume. Correct answer is C, both A and B. Growth in living organism is from outside, is from inside, both A and B, does not take place. Correct answer is growth in living organism is from inside. Which of the following does not grow? Amoeba, yeast, dead body, planaria. Correct answer is dead body. For which organism the growth is synonymous with reproduction? Unicellular algae, amoeba, bacteria, all of this. Correct answer is all of this. Which of the following multiply through fragmentation? Fungi, filamentous algae, planaria, all of these. Correct answer is all of these. The growth and reproduction are mutually exclusive events in plants only, animals only, higher animals and plants, primitive organisms. Correct answer is higher animals and plants. Living organism shows self-replication, evolution, self-regulation and response to external stimuli, all of these. The correct answer is all of these. The sum total of chemical reactions occurring in our body is called metabolism, homeostasis, catabolism, anabolism. The correct answer is metabolism. Growth by cell division occurs dash in plants and dash in animals. Continuously, only up to a certain age, only up to a certain age, continuously, never, continuously. The correct answer is continuously, only up to a certain age. Which of the following does not reproduce? Mules, sterile worker bees, sterile human couple, all of these. Correct answer is all of these. Which of the following is self-conscious? Human being, tiger, lion, frog. The correct answer is human being. Metabolic reactions take place in vitro, in vivo, both A and B, only in unicellular organisms. Correct answer is C, both A and B. Organisms that can sense and respond to environmental cues. Eukaryotes only, prokaryotes only, both A and B, Those with a well developed neuroendocrine system. The correct answer is C, both A and B. Growth, development, and functioning of a living body is due to decrease in entropy, increase in Gibbs free energy, metabolism, adaptations. Correct answer is metabolism. A living organism can be exceptionally differentiated from a non-living thing on the basis of its ability for reproduction and excretion, growth and movement, responsiveness to touch and temperature, interaction with environment, and progressive evolution. Correct answer is interaction with environment and progressive evolution. Two components of binomial nomenclature are generic name, specific epithet, both A and B, subspecies. Correct answer is both A and B. In Mangifera indica lin stands for Latin lower organism, Linnaeus, Lamarck. The correct answer is Linnaeus. Please subscribe, or you can follow us on Instagram for daily MCQs in story. Thank you.